Never scout. You listen to a song early in the morning and that plays in your head throughout the day. That is the power of morning. How you are going to end the day totally depends upon how you start your day. But most of us begin the day totally in the wrong way. Here are a few common morning mistakes that people do. First, staying in dark. Do not stay in dark for long. Once you wake up, slide open your curtains and let the light fill your room. Your biological clock is light sensitive for certain purposes. To get you back into your action, you need to have a bright and morning light. You must expose yourself to morning light immediately after you wake up. Exposure to light in the morning and blue-green light. In particular, props the release of hormone cortisol, which stimulates and wakes you up, and inhibits the release of melatonin, which makes you feel drowsy. So open your windows, look up to bright blue sky and greenery around, or go for a quick walk and come back. Second mistake which we do is missing our morning glass of warm water. Your body is in need of water. After 78 hours of sleep, the first thing you should do after waking up is to drink a glass of warm water. It would rehydrate your body and also stimulate your digestive system to action. Missing a glass of water can put stress on the system because of dehydration, and also eating some solid food directly will again put lots of stress to your system. You must drink a glass of warm water the moment you wake up, but after 15 minutes, you can definitely take water with lemon with little algae inside with little honey inside. That would be beautiful. Third mistake we do is rushing to work. Being in a hurry is a very big mistake which we do early in the morning, and this restlessness will continue throughout the day. Your state of mind in morning can decide your energy and your state of being for the whole day. Hence, you plan your morning well in advance in previous night, so that you can at least spend 1 hour for yourself, and practice yoga, walking, meditation plan, etc., and spending time with nature. The calmness and focus will prevail throughout the day's work. You will be energetic, more joyful and more peaceful. The fourth mistake which we do early in the morning is to check our mobile phone. 80% of smartphone users check their mobile phones within 15 minutes of waking up. This habit can disturb the peace of mind which you have attained through sleep. We are exposing ourselves to overload of information. The moment we wake up, this could cause more stress to your mind. Also, the exposure to bright light of phone can affect your eyes because of the darkness of the atmosphere. The blue light of mobile phone can cause reddening of your eyes and dryness. So avoid using your phone at least for 1 hour after waking up. The fifth mistake that we do is skipping our breakfast. Consuming more calorie early in the morning may reduce the risk of heart attack, diabetes, and more circulatory problems. Skipping the breakfast can also make you eat more throughout the day, and also can put your system under stress. Your body has high absorbing capacity early in the morning. Hence, having breakfast within 2 hours of waking up can help your body absorb all the nutrients efficiently. And don't forget to include proteins in every meal, including breakfast, as protein is linked to having less body fat, but has lots of other benefits. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are very good source of breakfast protein. Morning makes a foundation of your day. Make sure that you build your foundation strong. Avoid all these silly mistakes which we do early in the morning and begin your day with happiness and peace. Never scar.